All right, here's how you use the coffee maker. The coffee maker turns on automatically at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it will turn off 4 hours after the last cup has been brewed. So the coffee maker has several buttons on it. I want to show you. I'll go ahead and turn it on. Like it's heating up right now. While it's heating up, I'll go ahead and show you how to add the water and do the beans. So you can just take the handle, pull it straight out, and if you come over this way, you'll see that there is the water container over here. You lift it straight out, and you can fill it with the water in the refrigerator, or you can fill it with the water here. Either way, however you want. The water is on a well system, so it's a very clean water up here in Rancho Carrillo. So either way, and then you put it back. And then if you want to fill the beans, or if you have to fill the beans because it says add beans, then you need to add the beans up at the top. All right? So sometimes it will have beans, but it will say add beans. So what you need to do is take the top off and just kind of move the beans around because they're a little oily and they get a little stuck. So you just kind of move them around a little bit and then close this. And then now it's ready for a coffee. So in the morning, you probably won't have to do all of that, but if you are ready for your coffee, and you can change the position right here, and you can choose whatever you want. You can do espresso, too small, too large, you know, and so I usually leave it on the 2 large coffees, and it fills one of the coffee mugs that I have in the cabinet. And this is the strength of the coffee: normal, normal plus, strong. I just keep it on normal plus. And then you have your coffee mug. Let's get a coffee mug. You put the coffee, and the easy thing to do, you hit the cafe button. It grinds, and it will brew your coffee, a fresh cup of coffee. So if it says add beans, you know where to add the beans. If it says add water, you know how to add the water. So I'm gonna let it brew, and then I'm gonna show you how to clean the trays on this video because it will ask you frequently to clean the trays. So while we're waiting, here is the frother. You can make a latte by just switching this button right here. It's on coffee right now. You can do steam if you switch it this way. This is just pure hot water if you switch it that way, if you want just to make a cup of tea. And then just put it back to coffee, and then it will brew your coffee for you. So we'll go ahead and wait for that to finish. Okay. Then you have a nice, freshly brewed cup of coffee. All right. And then if you have to clean the trays, if the display is saying clean trays, you remove the tray. Okay. And then you pull this straight out. Okay. You empty the grounds, you empty the tray. And I'm gonna go empty this, so I'll be right back. You put the tray back together. Okay, these, if it ever says to clean the sensors or clean the, I can't remember what they're called, but the sensors, these are them. The contacts, that's what they call them. You put it, just clean those off, just dry them off, put it all back together. Voila, you're done. And that's how you use the coffee machine. The coffee machine will turn itself off automatically. Like I said, it'll turn itself on at 6 o'clock every single morning, and it'll be ready to go. If you have any questions on anything, I'm going to leave you the manual right here, and all of the instructions are in here. If it asks you to clean the machine, or if the red light is blinking, you'll know where to find it. It's all located right in here.